How many of you want to create a second source of income, which is an extra income, not affecting your primary source of income? This video will help you to get different methods available in India, which will help us to create a second source of income without much of your involvement, without impacting your primary source of income. If you look at the best way to create second source of income is that create a bulk of money put it in a FD in a bank and generate interest out of it. But going forward, it may not be a feasible option because interest rate is coming down. And at the same time, the money which is required to keep for a regular income in a bank is much higher, and in the coming future, interest rate is going to drop on a regular basis. The trend is going on like that. So if you look at from 5 years from now onwards, we may not going to generate much of the interest from bank FD. So it is very important that we should create an option where we will get a free source of income which will contribute to our regular income which we get as a salary or a business income. So what are the options available? The best option, which is common and everyone is familiar, is that any annuity plans. Insurance companies offer annuity plans. That is the first method which we can take it. This will require a lot of time, or this also require one time, means it's a bulk money is needed. Otherwise, if you plan it at the early stage of your life, you can generate some kind of investment to that, and after a certain age we will generate annuity. So this one, it's offer annuity schemes by insurance companies. If we plan it well, we can generate. The return which we get out of it is minimal, but if you look at now, the whatever that interest they are saying, it get locked. And at the same time, we will able to generate a secure income out of this kind of investment. So this is one option. If you are looking for a risk-free investor, this is one option. You can look at it. Instead of pension, this is a one alternative for the pension, and we can generate second source of income. Especially for people who are looking for retirement, this is one best option which is available. Especially if you are looking for a regular income, secure income, this is one option which you can look at it. Usually insurance companies offer it, LIC, any private players, they are offering this based on the good company and the kind of return which we get, we can opt this option. The second option is that monthly return schemes. There are monthly income schemes are available in mutual funds, or in mutual fund itself, we have a systematic withdrawal plans available. This option which may give little better return than this one, and you have an opportunity to club with equity and generate a better return if you are managing it really well. Especially if you have a knowledge on managing mutual fund, it's good. Otherwise, if you can take a help of an advisor, you can generate a better return than the first method. This also will fetch you a regular source of income as a second source. So this is a second method which we can look at it. At the same time, if you look at other income, if you are working somewhere, if you have a specific talent or a specific skill set, you can look for giving consultancy, or you are a person who is experienced. If you're working in a senior position and you want to help startups to run their business as a consultant, that is one good option. Again, for the professionals, especially doctors who are working in a government hospitals or a private hospitals, and you want to do a practice at home, this is one option you can look at it. It's a consulting business, or even the same with coaching, and there are a lot of people are entering into life coaching. There are people who are helping people to mentor the juniors. So these are the things which you can take it as a profession, especially people who move up the ladder, people who gain some experience, gain some expertise. Consulting and coaching, it's one option. They can start as a side business, and once it's flourished, once they build their own brand, probably they can take it as a regular income job also. But this is one option which we can look at as a second source of income. Next is a freelance. We can become a freelancer, especially people who are working in IT, people who are who have the ability to write content, people who have a ability to do digital marketing. All these people, when they work in a certain job, if you have a job with a specified 8-hour, 9-hour job, if you can utilize other 2 hours, 3 hours on a regular basis to do freelance job, this is one option we can look at it. There are enough websites available, Freelancer, Fiverr, all these places where we can go and register and take up the freelance work available there and start making a second source of income. This is one option, especially people who have a domain expertise can think about doing that. Then there are other option is about giving tuitions. Tuitions is a one opportunity where especially people who are educated, people who are not working anywhere, they can think about providing tuition. Especially these days, there are online and offline tuitions are available. If you are a person who have a higher education, or you are a teacher working in some college or school, and you have a additional time after your school hours, if you want to provide offline tuition, probably you can put a board in front of your house and start offering tuition to school children. At the same time, there are a lot of online tuition portals are available. If you go and search in internet, there are many. The apps are there for helping foreign students on assignments, and there are enough online tuition programs, coding teaching programs. So there are enough. You can Google it and see. White Hat Junior, that is one good place where you can enroll as a tutor and start giving teaching to people. And if you have spent sufficient time, especially weekend and after your work hours, on a disciplined manner, you can generate a decent source of income. This is one thing which is upcoming, especially those who have a extra time in after your professional time. This can be one option which we can use it. Both online and offline, offline, if you can build the brand, probably you can think there is a business for you. And the next is at selling and buying in online. There are a lot of apps also available. You can start promoting the items available in those apps. It could be your garments, ready-made items, especially working women or women who are not working can take up this particular task. This particular task, there will be saris, there will be churidars, there will be clothing materials. All these things you can circulate in your friend circle, and those who are ready to buy that, you can place that order for them in the app given. There are enough apps are available. Meesho, there are many. If you search, you will able to get it. Here you have to market it and get the order and give it to them. They on behalf of clients, you place the order. The app will deliver the order to your customers and you will generate commission out of it. There are people who are doing this, making 20 to 30,000 rupees on a monthly basis regularly after doing certain years. But once they build certain level of customer set, they are able to generate this kind of income. The other one is that very popular, but there are a lot of bad name also associated with network marketing or direct sale. I would say it's a direct sales. This is not about money chain or anything. Especially good companies like Amway, there are a lot of multinational companies. They are offering only direct sales. If those direct sale companies has a strong product, you can enroll that as a direct sale agent and start selling for them. Don't get into any money chain kind of business, but there are people who are falling onto that. Don't do that. Think this as a kind of a full-time job or a job which required a lot of selling. You source the product from the company and sell it to your customer base, and you earn a commission. Don't get into that money chain trap. So if you do that, especially in USA and all, this is one best opportunity for a passive income model. And there are people who are doing as a full time also. If you're working and you are able to manage this as your second source of income, it's one good option. You can do it, but you need to be very careful. If you are careful and do the associate with the good companies, you can generate really good money out of it. Next is distribution of financial products. It can be mutual fund, it can be insurance. You need to enroll with mutual fund. There are certain exams are there. If you have a knowledge on selling financial product, you can clear those exams and you can start selling products for specific companies. You can enroll with those companies and sell the product. LIC is the best example, and any private player you can do it. In terms of insurance, you have to clear IRDA exam. In terms of mutual fund, you have to clear that AMFI exam. So once you clear that exam, you can enroll with specific companies and you can start selling these products to your friends and other customers. This is something which you can do along with your permanent job. If you have time, you can definitely think about it. This is another second source of income. And if you have a set of customers, and from your existing customers itself, you will able to generate trial commission. And once you continue years after years, along with the new customers commission, you will able to generate the trial commission. The trial commission will be very good money, which will able to support a family. So this is one option. If you are thinking for a long time, this is something which you can look at it. And the next one is that definitely this is something which everyone knows, a rental source of income. If you have a additional house, additional building, this is something which you can generate income out of it. You can rent out your property and you can collect the rental income. If you have a if you only thing is that the investment is a little high, and the same time you can do this with if you have a car, if you have a vehicle, you can give it for rental and generate rental money out of it. This is something which you may have to manage that rental facility, all these things. But these days you have all this OYO, Airbnb, all those things. If you can utilize it without much of hassles, you can able to manage this also. And in terms of cars also, you have all this Ola car and all this world. So if you have money to invest, you can buy the cars and real estate property and generate rental income out of it. These are 9 options which we can think about it in case if you want to generate a second source of income. It involves certain ownership. It involves a little dedication towards managing these things, especially first 2 things. You don't have much of involvement, but other 7 items which I have mentioned, your involvement is needed. But if you are able to do that, this is one good way you can generate a second source of income. For a person who want to generate very good wealth, it's very important that that person should be able to generate income from multiple sources. So that way, if one source of income reduces, also other source of income will compensate, and your lifestyle and wealth creation will not hamper anyway. So this method, go through that, and which one is good for you, start doing that, and year on year try to increase a number of sources of income for you and secure your future. I hope this has added some value, and at the same time give a motivation to do something other than your regular job. Thank you. If you have any questions related to money matters, investment, you can reach out to us through our email address given below or the number which we have given on this video. Thank you. See you next week.